How to turn on or turn off erase background for always on display lock screen on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. Now in here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and tap on lock screen and AOD. And from here, we go down, then tap on always on display, tap on the left hand side panel, make sure it is turned on so other options becomes enabled. Then we go down and tap on erase background. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. So when we turn this on, it will show the main subject of the photo only. Works best with photos and have people or animals as the main subjects. So if you find this option is gray out or disabled, it's because it only works best with photos that have people or animals as the main subject. So here, if I go to my lock screen, okay, so that's on the lock screen here. It shows the image without any background, and that is for only always on display. So for the lock screen, it will bring back the background. So that's always on display. Now this is the lock screen. It will bring back the background, and that's it. So that is how you can turn that feature on or off. So here, erase background, and I will turn it off. And if I turn it off, this is what it looks like for always on display. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.